At maya-maya mapapanood po natin Croatia versus Puerto Rico, and that game will decide kung sino po yung fourth qualifier out of Group B. Philippines out of contention, 0-4 on record.
Ito na po ang starting unit ng ating Gilas Pilipinas, and for the second time in the tournament, Japet Aguilar is there. He started in our first game contra Croatia, at dito yung haba niya, yung tangkad niya, at saka yung mga Gilas niya ang kakailanganin ng Gilas ng Pilipinas.
Recognition niya ni Coach Chot Reyes na mahabang mga kalaban natin. I think Senegal is a very athletic team, plus the fact that meron silang 8 player na naglaro sa US NCAA gives them an edge in terms of conditioning and skill development. Dalawang player nila na naglaro na sa NBA. One of them is still active in the NBA playing for the Minnesota Timberwolves, and he will be in our watch the whole game. Siya po, number 14, si Gorgie Dieng, who stands 6'11", and he's the only player averaging in double figures for Senegal sa tournament. He's averaging 19 points a game.
Hindi siya nag-iisang 6'11 dyan. Actually, dalawa sila ni Thomas, at meron din silang 7-footer and Ndiaye.